Looking to gain weight in a healthy and sustainable way? While certain foods might be trendy, focusing on a balanced and nutritious approach is key. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're exploring delicious, colorful options that will fuel your body for healthy weight gain. While some sources might promote blueberries or blue-colored foods for weight gain, it's more about the overall nutritional value of your diet. Here's why a rainbow diet is your best bet. Variety is key. Different colored fruits and vegetables offer a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and well-being. Fiber power. Colorful fruits and vegetables are often packed with fiber, which keeps you feeling fuller for longer, aiding in weight gain through controlled calorie intake. Building blocks. These foods provide essential nutrients for muscle building and repair, which is crucial for healthy weight gain. Let's explore some delicious and colorful options to add to your weight gain meal plan. Number 1 is sweet potato power. This vibrant orange veggie is loaded with complex carbohydrates for sustained energy and vitamin A for overall health. Number 2 is mango. This tropical fruit is a great source of natural sugars, providing readily available energy and vitamin C to support a healthy immune system. Number 3 is berry bounty. While not strictly blue, a mix of berries offers a variety of colors and a good source of antioxidants, along with some natural sweetness for a satisfying snack. Number 4 is nutty goodness. Nuts and nut butters are high in healthy fats and calories, perfect for adding a calorie boost to your diet. Choose healthy fats like almonds, walnuts, or cashews. Number 5 is avocado delight. Avocados are another excellent source of healthy fats, along with fiber and essential vitamins. Remember, healthy weight gain is about creating a sustainable calorie surplus. This means consuming slightly more calories than you burn each day. However, it's important to focus on nutrient-rich foods to fuel your body properly. Additional tips for healthy weight gain. Strength training, building muscle mass, can help with healthy weight gain. Include strength training exercises in your routine to promote muscle growth. Focus on whole foods, prioritize whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables for a well-rounded diet. Don't skip meals, aim for 3 balanced meals and healthy snacks throughout the day to keep your metabolism going and provide your body with the nutrients it needs. Consult a doctor or dietitian for personalized guidance. Consider consulting a doctor or registered dietitian to create a weight gain plan tailored to your specific needs and health goals. Subscribe for more health-related information.